Hello friends, I am Carly. In this video, I will show how to blur a face in CapCut. So let's follow these straightforward steps. Make sure your app is up to date. Step 1. Import your video. Launch the CapCut app on your iPhone and head to the Edit section. Then, tap on a new project and import the video you want to edit. Step 2. Duplicate the video. To do so, tap on the overlay option at the bottom and tap the Add Overlay option. Then insert the video into the timeline. Pinch to zoom in and resize the second video. Step 3. Apply the blur effect. Select the first clip and slide the tabs to find the effects. Go to the video effects and tap and hold the blur effect to view the option to adjust the blur amount. Now, let's adjust the blur amount. You can see the simple and blurry video here. Choose the right icon. Step 4. Mask the face. Select the first clip, slide the bottom tools, and find the mask tool. Tap on it. We want to blur the face here, so choose a circle shape that fits the face. Adjust the size and position of the mask over the face. Now, play the video and check if it's okay. If the face is moving, you need to follow the next step. Step 5. Animate the mask. If the face is moving, we need to add keyframes to the mask's position and size to track the face as it moves. To do that, select the first clip and tap on keyframes. Then, select the keyframe and set the position where the face is moving. If the face moves multiple times, follow the same process, add more keys, and put their positions. Also, you can remove the watermark part clip. To do so, tap on it and select the Delete option. Step 6. Export your video. Once you're satisfied with the blur effect, export your video. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the latest tips and tricks videos.